Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good afternoon. We are from Group 3, Major of Medical Lab Technology, Class 1A. Welcome back with us. Today, we're going to give you some information about narrative text. But before we start, I want to tell you guys about the member of the group. First, we have Afifah Nur Amani Putri. And the second, we have Amalia. The third is me, Ardelia. And the fourth is Farah. And the last, we have Gita. Please give us attention and enjoy with our content. Okay, let's start. From table of contents, in this video, we gonna tell you about definition, purpose, generic structure, and language features about narrative text.
Definition. Narrative text is a story with complication or problematic event, and it tries to find the resolution to solve the problems. An important part of narrative text is the narrative mode, the set of methods used to communicate the narrative through a process narration. Purpose. The purpose of narrative text is to amuse or to entertain the reader with a story.
Next, generic structure. First, orientation. Set the scene, where and when the story happened, and introduce the participant of the story. Who and what is involved in the story. Second, complication. Complication tells us the beginning of the problem which leads to the crisis or climax of the main participant. And third, resolution. Resolution is the problem or the crisis is resolved, either in a happy ending or in a sad ending. Reorientation or coda. This is a closing remark to the story and it is optional. It consists of a moralism, advice, or teaching from the writer.
Next, language features. First, using past tense. Verbal for positive, verb to and object. Negative, did, verb 1 and object. For nominal, was word, adjective, noun, adverb. The second, adverb of time. Adverb of time in bahasa is kata keterangan waktu. Example, once upon a time, one day. Third, time conjunction. Time conjunction in bahasa is kata hubung waktu. Example, suddenly, then, when. Fourth, specific character. The character of the story is specific, not general. Example, Cinderella, Snow White, Alibaba, etc. 5. Adverb action verbs. A verb that show on action. In bahasa is kata kerja yang menggambarkan suatu aksi terjadi atau yang sedang dilakukan. Example, kill, dog, walk, etc. And the last, direct speech. It is to make the story lively. In bahasa is membuat cerita lebih hidup dan tergambar. Example, Snow White said, "My name is Snow White." The direct speech use this sentence.
Story, The Rabbit and the Turtle. One day, a rabbit was boasting about how fast a cow ran. He was laughing at the turtle for being so slow. Much to the rabbit's surprise, the turtle challenged him to a race. The rabbit thought this was a good joke and accepted the challenge. The fox was to be the umpire of the race. As the race began, the rabbit raced way ahead of the turtle. Just like everyone thought, the rabbit got to the halfway point and could not see the turtle anywhere. He was hot and tired and decided to stop and take a short nap. All this time, the turtle kept walking step by step. Never quit no matter how hot or tired he got, he just kept going. However, the rabbit slept longer than he had thought and woke up. He could not see the turtle anywhere. He went at full speed to the finish line but found the turtle there waiting for him.
Okay, the last, we're gonna identification of the story. The rabbit and the turtle. As we can see at the monitor, the first paragraph contains the orientation because we know where and when the story happened and introduce the participant of the story. And the second paragraph is complication. Why is complication? Because in the second tells us the beginning of the problems, which is the crisis or climax. And then in the last paragraph, we can see the resolution. Why is resolution? Because we can see the problem or the crisis is resolved either in the happy ending or sad ending. And we can see the end of story is happy or sad ending. Why this story didn't have the orientation or coda? Because the writer didn't include the coda. Is the closing remark. It consists the moral of the lesson. Okay. So guys, that's all from us. We want to say thank you for your attention, and we hope that all of our information can help you a lot about narrative text. If you have any question, please drop on comment section. And have a good day everyone, and see you in the next hour content. Thank you.